Hey guys, how's it going? Okay, so hope your days started off well. Hopefully assembly was good. Nobody got in trouble. I'm counting on you guys. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started with our math today. Let me go ahead and bring us back over to math. Here we go. So this is what we're going to be working on. We're going to work on multi-step math problems. We're going word problems. We're going to be doing several things. First off, we're going to estimate and solve each problem. And actually, really what I want you to do is I want you to solve the problem first and then estimate to kind of check it. We're going to be using tape diagrams. You're going to explain your if your answer is reasonable. So the first thing we're going to do is question. There were 3,905 more hits on the school's website in January than February. February had 9,854 hits. How many hits did the school website have during both months? So we're going to be kind of looking at that and making a tape diagram and kind of figuring out about how much it is, and then we're going to actually solve what it really truly is. Okay, so the way we're going to do that is through a tape diagram, and so we've got the two numbers. Oops, I'm sorry, let me get that off of there. There were 3,905 more hits on the school website in January than February. February had 9,854 hits. So we're going to figure that out. So how many did the whole school website get during both months? So in January, here's January, and here is February, and those actually should be the same amount. However, February had 9,854 hits. Then January had more. They had more hits right up here. Okay, so we're gonna say that they have more. It's 3,905 more hits. Well, what does that actually mean? 3,905 more hits. Well, what it means is that this number right here will be the same as this number, and then these guys are going to be more. Okay? So if down here is 9,854, the 9,854 plus 3,905 is how many is going to be all of January. So that's going to be together. Now, what the question is right here, how many hits does the school website have during both months? So we're going to have to take this number right here, and we're going to have to take this number, we're going to add them all together. So let's do that down here to see what our exact number is. So we've got 9,854 plus 3,905 plus 9,854. We're going to add all those together. So 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 5 is 13. Carry the 1. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. Carry the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 8 is 18, plus 8 more is 26. So we're going to put the 6 here, and we're actually carrying a 2 because it's 26. And then our last one is 9 and 2 is 11, plus 3 more is 14, plus 9 is 23. So my answer is 23,613 hits. Okay, that's what I got. However, we're going to go back up here. We're going to go back and estimate up in the top part. Up here, we're going to estimate. So if we wanted to estimate, 9,854 is close to 10,000. Oops, I wrote 100,000. Let me back up one. There we go. There's 10,000. Now, down at the bottom one right here, 9,854 is another one, another 10,000. And then we've got 3,905, which actually is pretty close to 4,000. Solve this. Is 24,000 fairly close to 23,613? Actually, they are very close. So that will so that they're very close. 23,613 is very close to 24,000. So is that answer reasonable? Yes, it is. Okay. And it actually says, is your answer reasonable? Is your answer reasonable? Compare the estimate from A to B and write the sentence to explain. So we would just write, yes, 24,000 is very close to 23,000, let's see, 23,613. 23,613. All right, let's go on. We're going to look at another problem. Some of the other videos have the other problem that's available. I'm not going to show you this one. You can watch the other videos for that. I want to show you this one problem. It says, last year on Ted's farm, his 4 cows produced the following numbers of liters of milk. So Daisy had 5,098 liters. Betsy, we don't know. Mary had 9,980. And Buttercup had 7,087 liters of milk. Love those names. Don't you like those? All right, so I'll bet you we're going to be trying to find out what this is. Let's see what the question is. It says, Betsy produced 986 more liters of milk than Buttercup. How many liters of milk did all 4 cows produce? So it says that Betsy produced 986 more. So how do we do more? Well, we have a tape diagram of both of them. So here's Buttercup. And then we also have Betsy. Plus, she has more. She has 986 more. So we know that little bit is more. Do we know what Buttercup is? By golly, we do, right up here where it says Buttercup. So Buttercup is 7,087 liters. So we know this part right here, because this is the same as that. That's kind of connects down, and it's right at the same level. So that should be 7,087. Now to figure out how much Betsy has, what we do is we're just going to add those all together. So we're going to have 7,087 plus 7,087 plus, oh, you know what? I realized we're not trying to find out how much the 3 of them have, so I actually did that a little bit wrong. Let me back up a little bit. We're going to try and find out how much Betsy has right here. So all we need to do is we need to do 7,087 plus 986. 7 plus 6 is 13. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1 more is 17. Carry the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. Put the 1 up there. 8 plus 7 is 8. So 8,073. So we're going to write that right in here. 8,073. That's how much Betsy has. Now what it's asking is, how many liters of milk did all 4 cows produce? Well, let's just add those together. And we got some space right up here. Let's just do it right here. 5,098 plus 8,073 plus 9,980 plus 7,087. And we can add all those together. So 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 8 is 18. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 8 is 18, plus 8 more is 26, plus 7 would be 33. Wait, let me do that one again. Okay, 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 7 is 17, plus 8 is 25, plus 8 more would be 33. Then 3 plus 9 is 12. Carry the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 8 is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 plus 7 would be 30. So it would be 30,238. Now, let's go to the next problem. It says, is your answer reasonable? Explain. So in order to find out whether something is reasonable, we want to come up with some estimates. Saying it's reasonable, come up with an estimate, does it make sense? So let's just come up with some estimates for these ones. So the 5,098 is about 5,000. Okay? And then 8,073 is about 8,000. And then 9,980 is right about 10,000. And then 7,087 is right about 7,000. Then we'll add those up. 0, 0, 0. 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 5 is 20. Carry the 2. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 30,000. Our estimate is 30,000. Is 30,000 close to 30,238? Yes, it is. It's actually pretty darn close. So definitely it is a reasonable answer. So we could say the estimate is 30,000, which is close to the answer 30,000. Oh, what was it? 30,238. All right, so you're going to go ahead and do the next page, lesson 12. Go ahead and try all of the problems. If you run out of time, that's fine, but go ahead and do as many problems as you can. I'm going to post the correct answers. Please don't check the correct answers until you do all the problems. Then you can go back and check with your group. And if our visiting teacher allows you to, you may work in a group with other people to do the problems. If the visitor teacher does not want you to do that, wants you to work alone, then go ahead and do whatever he or she says. Okay? All right, so have a great rest of your day. I will see you all on Monday. If I don't see some of you at, I might see some of you at recess, but if I don't see the rest of you, I'll see you on Monday. All right? Bye, guys. Make me proud of you, okay?